The next joint is freely movable joint. Freely movable joints are the joints which solely help in the movement of the structure in which they are present. Four freely movable joints in our body are ball and socket joint, pivot joint, which is there in the neck, hinge joint, and gliding joints. Gliding joints which are there in the backbone and the region of the ankle. So these are the examples for freely movable joints. Ball and socket joints which are there here in the shoulder region. Pivot joint in the neck region and hinge joint we can see here. Hinge joint between the arm where we bend, and we can see the gliding joints at the vertebral column and the region of the ankle. These are freely movable joints. Let us study each freely movable joint one by one. This ball and socket joint is formed by two bones in which one end of the bone is a round ball-like structure. Ball and socket, one end of the bone is round and ball-like structure, and the other round bone, ball-like bone, fixes into a cup-like depression. We can see here cup-like depression. So, ball and socket. Socket is nothing but here cup-like structure. So this is ball and socket joint. So this joint is formed by two different kinds of bones, one bone with ball-like structure and the other bone with socket-like structure. So it is ball and socket joint. This joint provides movement in any direction. We can see here ball and socket. So this joint provides movement in any direction. Examples of ball and socket joints are shoulder joint and hip joint. Hip joint you can see. Shoulder joint and hip joint. This is about ball and socket joint.